2, 3, and what's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and this one has been kind of like long awaited. As you guys already know by my last upload, I did kind of like add some color to my hair, and I did get a lot of requests on how I did it at home, because girl, aren't we all trying to save some money when it comes up to going to the salon? No, literally just to like blow out, dye, and trim your hair can run anywhere from like $300 to $500, and girl, I'm not trying to spend that type of money on just some subtle highlights. So I actually just decided to do it at home, and I am going to show you guys all the products that I use to actually like saber my hair, because my hair is very thin and my hair could tend to get fried super easily. You guys can see it is very subtle. Like I said, I did do my whole head of highlights. The first time I did my highlights, I only just did the front, so you guys can literally just take the front and leave the back all black like I did last time. But this time I just decided to go for it, so I just ended up doing my whole entire hair. There's something about my jet black hair that was just making me feel lifeless. I was feeling really dead. I don't know what really it was. It was just like, I don't know, I wasn't really feeling myself. Like I know as women, we kind of all go through this when we're like stuck looking away for so long, you guys. Because don't get me wrong, I play with wigs and stuff like that, but I've had black hair for as long as I could even remember, that I'm just like, I'm over it, you know what I'm saying? And I honestly didn't want to do a wig, and I wanted like something new for real, but something still subtle, because I still like my dark hair. Just like we're shooting it on my phone, so this video is a little bit all over the place, so I do want to add a little bit somewhat of some organization with this video while showing you guys exactly what I did. If you guys want to learn how to get highlights at home, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright, beauty, so let's jump into the bleach that I used. I used the color Brilliance Ion Bright White, which is actually a cream lightener, which works way better than a powder lightener. This was actually recommended from the girl at Sally's, as long as the 30 volume developer, which are both enriched with conditioner factors, which is not as damaging as, like I said, the L'Oreal Quick Blue. So as you guys can see, my little messy vanity, this is a real hair dye tutorial, okay? We're taking it back to the OG YouTube days with this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab our little highlighting cap. This one is from Salon Care, and yeah, it's just, you know, a simple little highlighting cap that has a bunch of little holes, and it also does come with like this little hook thing to help you pick your hair through the holes. Like I said, super hard to explain, but you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about in a minute. Then I went ahead and grabbed my little mixing bowl and my little mixer, as well as this little collab powder. Shout out to Nisha for actually talking about this for so long, because I was like, I need to try this powder, and I finally found it at Sally's. Again, with some gloves. Shout out to my mother-in-law, because girl, I forgot me some gloves. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the lightener and the developer the same way you would mix a powder lightener with developer, is the same as using a cream. But beside just, like I said, just those two products, I actually am gonna add one more product, which is this booster from Color Brilliance as well. And this is kind of like a protective strengthener kind of like layer for your hair. So I really like that. I really wanted to show y'all my cute ass nails that I just got. Well, you already seen these on Instagram, but this is when I freshly done them. And then this is me just kind of like contemplating, like, damn, all of my healthy black hair, like, I'm really about to bleach it and fuck it up, but fuck it, let's do it. So first, putting on the cap. As you guys can see, the background all crazy. You see Lewis in the background DJing and shit, like, whatever. Okay, let's dye this hair. Ain't no need right now to be trying to be all cute and get them damn angles, because I'm trying to get my hair all right first. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get as many little strands as I can with the little hook tool that the cap comes with. So yeah, you're just going to stick it through the hole and just grab a chunk of hair. Now, the chunk of hair can be as thin or thick depending on how you want your highlights. I wanted mine more or less kind of like chunky highlights, so I did kind of take out my little strands kind of more on the thicker side. But as you guys can see, I could not reach the back, so make sure you get somebody to help you, okay? Make sure you utilize whoever is going to be in your crib, because 9 times out of 10 you are not going to be able to get the back of your head, because getting that little hook through them holes back there and you cannot see, sis, is a mission. So shout out to Lewis for helping me. Also, I was filming my little TikTok, so this is a little behind the scenes for y'all of my little TikTok of me actually doing my little hair dye highlight thing, and my TikTok was coming out good, y'all. Like, Look at me getting into TikTok and whatnot, coming up with the fucking transitions, killing shit. Okay, anyways, back to this hair. So yeah, Lewis is now finishing up, doing what he got to do. So let him, you know, work his magic, because I don't want him to fuck my shit up, all right? And then now I'm going to start mixing my bleach and adding in this little booster, which actually helped my hair a lot, you guys. It actually did add a nice protective layer, because like I said, my hair didn't feel OD fried like it usually does when I bleach it. But anyways, so yeah, trying to mix this on camera, which is a challenge because, girl, obviously my other hand is holding the damn phone. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I also did put the rest of my hair in a braid to separate the hair that we're going to be highlighting versus the hair that we're not going to be highlighting. And I kind of wish that Lewis did take more highlights from the bottom. That's like the only little critique that I have, but that's what happens when you let boys do shit. But anyways, he still did good, but I think future reference, I am actually going to add more highlights towards the bottom, because I feel like the bottom of my hair still has a lot of black, even though I did use the cap. And he actually put all of my hair into all of the holes, so I'm not really sure why there's not that many highlights on the bottom. But more or less, I'll just go back in and just redo this. So as you guys can see, I'm just putting the first round of bleach onto all of the areas that I want to highlight. So pretty much all of the strands that we took out of the cap. So try to avoid, like I said, the braid, because that's the part that we're not going to be highlighting. And let me just tell y'all, like, even looking at this footage, first of all, I'm making a giant ass mess, yo. Like, let me tell y'all, dyeing my hair, it'd be crazy. And why do I have to look this chopped? Like, I look crazy. But anyways, I went ahead and rinsed the bleach off. You do not want to wash it, because I am now going to be actually bleaching it one more time. So this is as much as it lifted. And as you guys can see, all right, that cream developer did its thing, because usually my hair would barely turn brown, and this actually lifted pretty good. It's still kind of darker towards the ends because my hair was still soaking wet. So I actually did go ahead and blow dry it, and you can see it's brassy down. Okay, she is bright orange, bitch. No. So I did want to go ahead and bleach it one more time, but of course, if you do not want to add 2 rounds of bleach to your hair, I would just go ahead and tone it from this point on, and then in a few weeks go ahead and do the process again. Like I said, if you want to do it the healthy way, but bitches is impatient over here. And like I said, I already knew that I was going to be having to trim my ends anyway. So yeah, this is kind of like where we fucking up at this point. So yeah, adding a second round of bleach is definitely optional, but yeah, do it with your own precaution. So yeah, after I put in the second round of bleach, I just went ahead and rinsed that out no more than 10 minutes. I did not leave that bleach in the second time. No more than 10 minutes, because I was scared, y'all. But now I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap, and now it's time for toner. So for my toner, I'm actually going to be taking a purple shampoo. This is the Blonde Me Brilliance Color Care for Ash Blondes in extra strength. And girl, this is another product that the girl at Sally's Beauty recommended to me. And at first I was going to go with my regular, you know, shimmer lights, what I was raised on. But she was like, honey, put that shit down and get the Blonde Me, because this is 10 times more intense. And girl, she wasn't lying. I highly, highly recommend this one. So now when you go ahead and jump out the shower, you want to go ahead and style your hair the way you want it. I went ahead and straightened it. But yeah, you guys, I straightened my hair days ago, and the back of my hair looks crazy now. But listen, the back of my hair is none of my damn business, okay? As long as we look cute in the front, okay? So anyways, as you can see, when I flip my hair over, there is a lot of color on my sides and in the front. But I do want to go ahead and add a little bit more highlights towards the bottom. But nonetheless, I'm obsessed with the way that the color came out, as well as the toner. She's giving ashy vibes, not brassy down, and I love it. Now I do want to get into some products that I love, you guys, for saving your hair, okay? Saving your hair, because we've all been there, we've all colored it, we've all damaged it. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of like my go-to products that I necessarily love to kind of like bring your hair back to life. So let's get okay. So I just came back from my bathroom, because I had to literally go ahead and accumulate all of these products, because most of them was in the bathroom. So there's my shampoo and conditioner. So I have 2 here. One is more drugstore and one is more high end. So like I said, I like to, you know, recommend multiple things, just so that way, like, if something is too expensive for somebody and you're like, girl, I would never spend that much on a shampoo and conditioner, don't worry, sis, because I got you. First, shampoo and conditioner. I don't know, I think my shampoo literally just finished, and I'm like about to be done with my conditioner, and Autumn went ahead and put water in it, because this girl's always playing with me when it comes up to all of my bath products. No, what's up with Autumn? But anyways, this is the BRIOGEO Be Gentle Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. So I did get the set at Ulta. Now this is super expensive, not even gonna lie. I believe I paid like around like 50 bucks, I don't even know, for the shampoo and conditioner. But when I tell you guys, like, since I've been using these, as you can see, I use them up. Okay, superfood, it is literally enriched with everything that your hair needs as far as vitamins, everything. So basically that's why it's called superfoods. I don't come for me, y'all, okay, because I know that this brand is kind of like this, not discontinued, but I know that there was a lot of kind of like things going on with the brand OGX. So like I said, don't come for me, y'all, but I'm just showing you guys what worked for me. So like I said, just do your research. If you are not trying to, you know, use these, then you take your precaution and you use products that you love. But honestly, I've been using this shampoo and conditioner for months, and this is honestly what got in my hair to grow down to my butt. Okay, and remember, I told y'all my hair would never surpass my shoulders for years, and girl, this hair is sitting literally right above my butt. I've been using this biotin and collagen shampoo and conditioner, and my cousin actually recommended this to me from his mom. Yes, my boy cousin Israel, because him and his mother, they have such thick long hair. And I remember around the time when I started using this was months ago after my uncle passed away, and my hair was literally falling out in chunks. Like, I had so many bald spots. My hair was so thin due to stress, and the fact that like in a couple of months my hair is this long and this full thanks to these. So like I said, do your research. I'm just showing you guys what I like. So yeah, the OGX biotin and collagen infused shampoo and conditioner. But yeah, honestly, these work so amazing for me. So it's like very hard to hate them, but I fuck with them. So the first purple shampoo, and this is kind of like the one that I'm always using when I'm dyeing my wigs. Obviously, you can use it for your hair too, but this is the Shimmer Lights. Now, I've been using this for years. Like I said, I've been dyeing my hair all of these crazy colors for so long that this is just like my go-to. This is really all I know. This is what I was raised on, if you get me. The Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. But just recently, like I said, when I did go to Sally's, the girl was like, girl, put that back. We are not using no Shimmer Lights. And I was like, oh, for real? Okay. Girl, you got to get the Blonde Me. That is the best purple shampoo in the beauty supply. And I was like, say that. I went ahead and I grabbed it so quick. So this is what the Blonde Me purple shampoo looks like. And compared to the Shimmer Lights, this one is definitely more like pearlized and more of like the purple of the bottle. This one is literally so dark purple, it almost looks black. And when I say it's intense, baby, it's intense. I highly, highly recommend the Blonde Me. It is way, way, way better than the Shimmer Lights. But like I said, not everybody wants such an intense purple shampoo. So kind of like I said, depends on the look that you're going for. Please, I am going to be talking about some hair masks. I do have two high-end ones and one from the drugstore. Now, this one from the drugstore, girl, do not be lacking on the Dominican aisle in y'all local beauty supply stores, okay? Y'all walk through them Spanish aisles and y'all better look for this one hair mask called CRECE PELO. This is another product that has gotten my hair to grow, because CRECE PELO means grow hair in Spanish. So this is actually going to get your hair to grow. They have a whole line of this CRECE PELO products. I just am obsessed with the hair mask, but you can get the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. I just love the hair mask. This is so hydrating, and when I tell you, this is literally just as good as OLAPLEX, and I'm not even lying to y'all. This is probably like $6, because y'all know OLAPLEX be trying to run them damn pockets. But CRECE PELO, honey, I've been trying to put y'all on CRECE PELO for years. So if you still haven't tried this, sis, I don't know what you're waiting for, okay? Because we team healthy hair over here. On the more pricier side, but the first one is the BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is another mask that I've been using for so long, y'all. So long. Mine is literally about to be gone, okay? So this one, like I said, is more of like a runny texture versus the CRECE PELO. This one is thick. And as you guys can see, I'm about to be done with this. This is how much I love my CRECE Pelo. I also use this on my daughter's hair as well. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. This is the OLAPLEX number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So basically that bond factor is basically going to rejuvenate your ends. Now what I'm talking about, if you have a lot of split ends or if your ends are just fried, this bond is basically going to make sure that your hair is bonded back pretty much. All right, beauty, so that was pretty much everything on how I got my DIY highlights at home. Let me know, like I said, if you are going to be dyeing your hair or trying out my little technique of how I did my little at-home highlights. And like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy the products that I recommended, because like I said, we all want healthy hair, so those were just some of my faves. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.